Welcome back to yet another episode of mine, FTY. So here we have a dental LED light. This is for curing composites, and this is not working. So we are going to open it up as it is. I've already opened the screws to save time and see what's going on inside. So if you see, it's a simple circuit. We have few capacitors and resistors here, and this wire right here is leading to the switch. This is the switch. Now, first of all, since it's run by this adapter, 5-volt adapter, you're going to see whether we're getting 5 volts or not. We'll plug this one in and see if we are getting any 5 volts or not. So now we have plugged in the adapter. We're going to check at the input. So this is the input. We're going to check if you're getting any volts here or not. So if you see the multimeter, we're getting nothing. So we'll unplug the adapter and see what's going on inside. So this I had already opened before to save time. And what you see out here, basically, this capacitor is swollen. This is a 4.7 microfarad, 460 volt adapter, capacitor, sorry. And this is blown off for sure. We'll also check this fuse and see if there is anything wrong with it and this MOV. But first we'll change this adapter because this is very obvious. This is a filter capacitor. So we'll be desoldering it in a little while. So unfortunately, we could not find a 4.7 microfarad capacitor. So we'll be soldering a 10 microfarad and similar volts capacitor. So this is all soldered. We'll cut off the excess with the pliers and let's see if it works. So this is all ready. So finally we changed the capacitor right here. This capacitor, we replaced the capacitor, but then still it wasn't working properly. The LED was blinking. So I discovered that the wire was disconnected. So I changed this wire and soldered new wire out here. Now let's see if it works. We'll press this button. See, the light is working properly. It'll glow for 10 seconds and then it'll switch off. So finally we have repacked the casing, and let's see if it's working properly. Just press this red button and you can see it's working properly. So this LED composite curing light is now completely functional.